Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to show you guys a in-stock and available 2023 Harris 230 Solstice. Let's go ahead and do an exterior walk around and then jump on the inside to show you guys how unique the Solstice model really is. So starting on the outside, our main fence color is a new flat panel matte black fencing. This fence is so unique looking, and especially when paired with the blackout rail fencing, really gives it an absolutely incredible look on the water. Now, you will also notice that we do have a stainless steel rub rail going all the way around the entire rub rail, giving it the profile it needs, giving it the accent it needs, matching up with all the flip-up cleats, and just tying the whole boat together as one. Now, it's awesome how they have reconfigured the Solstice. Rather than having the LED light pods for the docking lights down on the deck, they have moved it to the fence. It makes it a lot less trip hazardous, so that way you can have a clean bow and actually have ways to navigate around the bow if you need to dock bow in. Now, you'll also notice right here we do have our quick release fenders. This is the maximum laziest thing you can do in the world, and it is so nice to have, especially when your safety rails in the back have a spot that this sits right in. So let's go ahead and walk back to the stern here, show you guys what is powering this bad boy. So for one, you'll notice that we kind of have this diving board looking thing, but it's really just an in-water seat. So what I really like about this is that this is great for pets. If you want to drop this down in the water, it gives you a great place to get on the boat much easier, but it's also a great place to cool off at too. So it's just really an in-water seat, really easy to use as you just flip it like that right down into the water. So now we have a Mercury 250 horsepower outboard, giving this thing the ability to move at slow speeds extremely quietly, or for that time when you go around a corner and see the storm rolling in and you need to get back to the dock, you can hammer down and really get some speed out of this tri-tune. So come on into the interior. I want to show you guys some unique features. So for one, you see that we have this beautiful lounger back here. This is, I mean, the best seat in the house. You can rock this seat back and actually sit here underway with the safety rails. So really awesome to sit back here underway, and also makes it very easy to flip-flop this backing back and forth, which has been redesigned from the previous model. So it has a lot more rigidity and a lot more strength, and you can even drop this thing down all the way flat to give you a bed-like platform back here, and even prop up this back piece to include the rest of your passengers on the inside of the boat, bow forward. So now, as we go up to the helm here, you'll notice that the Solstice interior has a certain vibe to it. So if you guys come on this side of the seat, you'll see we got the carbon accent in the middle, and then also having a white stripe going through the very center. So really gives this thing a completely different look than we're used to. Then we also have a flip-up bolster here, which is great for a couple things. One, it's great to sit up higher, have a little bit better viewing over your passengers in the bow, but also gives you that space you need to stand up while driving if that's how you like to drive. Now we also have a Simrad powering this boat right here, giving us all of the information we need to see as far as mile per hour goes, RPM, trim, and even your total fuel that's in the fuel tank. Now off to the right hand side, we also do have our digital throttle and shift. This is an amazing throttle, and the way it feels in the showroom is the way it feels in the water. So if you guys come on down and check this out in the showroom, have no worries, it's gonna feel exactly the way that you feel it in the showroom. Now this boat also does come equipped with interior lighting, so that's gonna be in all your cup holders, underneath all your seat bases in the bow, and even in your L bench on the port side. And just a really good entertaining boat. Lastly, the entertainment system is all JL audio, and this is actually the Diamond system. So you are going to get a subwoofer included with this, with 2 speakers up in the bow. Then you're even going to have a speaker right underneath the helm, so that way the driver can also enjoy his time. 2 speakers forward facing on the lounger, another speaker over here, and 2 rear facing. So you can tell that this boat is ready to entertain and have a great time all day long. Now up here in the bow, you got some really different configuration with your seating. This is a little bit more opened up from the previous year model. Now it's also very comfortable, as Harris has a multi-stage foam for their seats. So the base of the seat is a different foam than what your bolstering is going to have, so that way you're comfortable at all angles around the boat. All right, guys, if this is something that you would like to take out on the water with your local, that was so... All right, guys, if this is a boat that you'd like to hear more information about or even schedule an on-water demo, please let us know. And thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie.